Landscape and I get on together well, though I'm the talkative one. Still he can tell his symptoms of being to me, the way a shell murmurs of oceans. Loch Rannoch lapses wimpling in the sun. Its hieroglyphs of light fade one by one, but recreate themselves, their message done forever and ever. The hawk knows all about it, shaking there an empty glove on steep shoots of the air, till his yellow foot cramps on a squeal to tear smooth fur, smooth feather. That sprinkling lark, jerked upward in the blue, will daze to nowhere, but leave himself in true translation, hear his song cascading through his disappearance. This means, of course, Schiehallion in my mind is more than mountain. In it, he leaves behind a meaning, an idea like a hind couched in a corrie. So then I woo the mountain, till I know the meaning of the meaning, no less. Oh, there's a Schiehallion anywhere you go. The thing is, climb it.
I have a guzzling eye for shapes and sizes, as I was saying. And landscape, to me, is my substitute for religion and politics and such trifles.
What does it mean to you, landscape, then?
Can't explain it, except that I always feel that landscapes, and the people who wander in and out the cracks and crevices of the landscape, I always feel there's some kind of web that joins them together. And I've actually been accused of being metaphysical about landscape. An accusation, of course, which I spurn and eschew. Because it seems to me when I look at a rock, I don't want to see anything more than that rock. And yet I know when I'm in a landscape, especially a wildish one, I feel extraordinarily at home.